love you, Achi. 1116 Construction headed by Miss Dada and of course, ang Boltron Beltran. Maraming salamat. Nasaan kayo? Ate Dada, where are you? Ate Dada, hello! Ayan. Thank you so much for sponsoring our show. Duncan, pasalubong ng bayan. Maraming salamat po. To our minor sponsors, White Flower and Corporate Guarantee. Yes. Mamita, hello Mamita. Alright, special thanks to Lime Hotel and Resort. Kay Emil, hello. James, hi. Episode Bar plus Kitchen and the Fabulous Blooms. Maraming salamat po. Medyo mahaba-haba po ang aming masasalamatan, guys. I hope you guys are okay. Okay ba kayo? Alright, nice print photography headed by my love, Charis Pino. Maraming salamat, Ate Charis. Thank you, I love you. Party Station, thank you so much. And to our food sponsors, Super Sam, my favorite. Super Sam. Paborito ko yan. Chorizo Burger. McDonald's, of course, Mr. Alan Ranyola, maraming salamat. Rios Catering Services, thank you so much. Chili's Catering Services, maraming salamat sa inyo. Show My House, Empanada Especial, Lugo Republic, Ricardo's Catering, and Today's Water, thank you so much. And of course, ito po ang isa sa pinakamahalaga kung bakit po ako nag-come up with a concert as I celebrate my 20 years in the industry. This concert actually is for the benefit of Anchor of Hope and Strength Foundation. Sa lahat po ng mga cancer warriors na nanonood ngayon, ayan, ako bumili ng ticket nila, guys. Hello, kawin naman kayo dyan. Alright. Alam nyo guys, thank you so much for giving purpose in my life. Yan po ang bago kong kumbaga, advocacy niya ngayon to help the cancer warriors. Kasi hindi po talaga biro ang magkaroon ng ganong klaseng sakit. At sa pamilya ng mga may ganong sakit, hindi po biro sa lahat ng aspeto, financially, emotionally, mentally, it's draining, guys. Kaya kayo pong lahat, nag-enjoy na po kayo sa concert na ito, nakatulong po kayo sa lahat ng ating cancer warriors. Palakpakan po natin sila mga kaibigan. Mahal po kayo, guys. Doc Charity Gorospe, my mom's oncologist. Hello, Doc. I love you. Alright, for the past 20 years, I have had the privilege and honor of interpreting, I think, more than 50 theme songs already. This would not have been possible without the trust of my ABS-CBN family. Maraming salamat. My Star Music family, Mr. Jonathan Manalo. My producer for 20 years, guys. And of course, Dreamscape, headed by Mr. Deo Endrinal. Alam nyo guys, 80 or 90% po siguro ng lahat ng kinanta kong theme song, si Sir Deo po ang nagbigay sa akin. Kaya po, Sir Deo, I am forever grateful. Thank you so much. Alright, here are a few of the most memorable and remarkable theme songs na naging bahagi ng bawat tahanan ng mga Pilipino. Thank you so much, Michael. Mr. Francis Bibiran, thank you so much. Mr. Joey Samson, thank you. And Mr. Michael Cinco, maraming salamat. Special thanks to Ryan Dax na dinala pa yung mga damit from Dubai to here in Manila. Maraming salamat. Again, Cornerstone Entertainment, thank you so much for always believing in me. Thank you so much to my manager, ERIK, maraming salamat. To Jeffrey Badillo, maraming salamat sa inyo. Cynthia Roque, kay Mac, thank you so much. Kay Kares, na laging nakikiiyak sa akin, thank you so much. Again, my ABS-CBN family, Nung nangangarap po ako, sila ang sumagot ng aking pangarap. Mr. Mark Lopez, Mr. Carlo Katigbang, and Tita Cory Vidanes, maraming salamat. My ASAP family, where are you guys? Of course, my ASAP family headed by Mr. Louie Andrada, and Miss Jasmine Paliera, thank you so much. Kaway-kaway naman kayo dyan. Star Music, again, headed by Mr. Roxy Kigan. And of course, one of my favorite people in the world, Mr. Jonathan Manalo. Rock Santos, hello. Star Magic, headed by, of course, manager ko rin po, Direk Loren Diogi. Thank you so much, Direk Loren. And my handler, Love Capulong. Thank you. Star Magic family, where are you? Nasaan? Ayun! Hello guys. I hope you're enjoying. And of course, my Dreamscape family na nagbigay sa akin, tulad nga ng nasabi ko kanina, ng napakaraming theme songs. Mr. David, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Showtime family, of course. Tawag ng tanghalan headed by Miss Lani Gutierrez. Showtime family. Nasa kayo? Ayun! And syempre, ang ating paborito, Meme Vice! Grabe. Thank you, Meme Vice, for watching. Ito, pamilya ko na rin po. Every time po na mag-birthday ako, nagsiselebrate din po ako sa kanila. Magandang buhay, family. Thank you so much. Jolina and Mele Gativeros, nandito po sila. Maraming salamat. Where are you guys? Thank you so much for coming. And of course, hindi ko makakalimutan ang isang taong unang-unang naniwala sa aking kakayahan, second to my family, Mr. Boy Abunda. Maraming salamat. And my family, of course, all the Santoses and Ramoses, thank you so much. Alam nyo guys, yung high school friends ko and college friends, they really bought tickets. Taas naman ng kamay dyan! Mga high school friends, ayan, high school teachers, college teachers, ano, binantahan mo sila ng ticket, guys, ganun po ako kapal ang mukha ko. Kaya po siguro na-sold out itong concert ko. College friends, hello, mga dentistry students ba? Tama ba yun? Then, mga classmates ko sila nung ako po'y nag-aaral ng dentistry, ayan. And of course, Pinky Cares Foundation, my Achi Pinky Tobiano, Tito Wanch, thank you so much, and the family, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa aking musical director, Mr. Homer Flores, arranger and dear old friend. And the amazing members of the band on drums, of course, Mr. Roy Mercado on bass, Bobby Tailo on guitar, Rick Mercado on keyboard 2, Bond Samson on keyboard 3, Jem Florendo na nagawa din po ng mga arreglo for tonight, and on violin, Tracy De Vera. Thank you so much. Our backup singers, my favorite backup singers, Yosha Onasan, our vocal arranger, Sui Medina, Pauline Lauron, and Mike Luis. Maraming salamat sa inyong apat. And our dancers, The Power Impact, Pansol Choir of Santa Maria de la Estrada Parish. My guests for tonight, Vision, Yes My Love, Sherin Reyes, Jen Constantino, Darren, and Angeline Quinto. To our TV director, Direk Arnel Natividad, maraming salamat po, Direk Arnel. We love you. Alright. I would like to thank, of course, the family of, ito, sobrang bait po nito, yung pamilya po nila Michael Neiva, sobrang bait. Naitaas po yung kamay ninyo. Nasaan ka na? Mahihayin ko si nanay eh. I love you, Nay. Alam po, lagi niya po ako pinapadala ng kare-kare. She has the best kare-kare in the world. Alright, taas po natin guys. Teleprompter, please. And of course, ito talaga, very hardworking. Talagang nag-work po siya beyond his role as my director. Mr. John Prats, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, John Prats. Hindi tayo natutulog, bro. Nagtatawagan tayo ng 4 in the morning para na mag-conceptualize ng concert. Thank you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Gusto ko rin pong pasalamatan na kahit na may pinagdadaanan po siya abroad, hindi niya po ako nakalimutan. How about a big hand for Miss Chris Aquino? Thank you so much, Ate Chris. She really bought a lot of tickets. Thank you, Ate Chris. Mr. Eric Leyva, yan, bumili din yan ng tickets. Ano bumili ng tickets mga kaibigan? Ang babait. Of course, Miss Lily Chua and Mr. Henry Chua. My Mama Lily, I love you, Mama. Thank you so much. Miss Baby Soleta, thank you so much. Miss Debbie, si Miss Debbie, hello. Ayun, Miss Debbie! At yung mga kasamahan niya, maraming salamat sa inyo. Miss Mila Sering, where are you, Miss Mila? At ang kanyang mga kaibigan, maraming salamat. Miss Jamie Quinto, matagal ko ng kaibigan dito. Miss Jamie Quinto, thank you so much. Congresswoman Len Alonte, thank you so much. Miss Ana Magkawas, thank you. Di Magila family, maraming salamat sa inyo. Laos family, thank you. Miss Cecil Bravo and family, maraming salamat po. Hello po! Tita Cecil from Zamboanga, lumipat pa. May mga lumipat from Iloilo, sila Dr. Dudes, from Singapore para lang manood ng concert. Galing ng Florida, si Tita Rose, ang dami pong lumipat para lang po manood ng concert. Maraming salamat. Mr. James Penuel and Mr. Emil Yap, Miss Mais Abangan and Miss Mabu Concepcion. Again, Mr. Alan Ranyola, Miss Cathy Esplana, thank you so much. Miss Cristina Santos and Brian Santos, maraming salamat for all the help. And of course, sorry guys, I really have to thank these people kasi talagang